It's Chris-O. Now, I did start off with this blade, but it's sort of burnt. It's not as good as what I thought. It started off well, but I'm resorting to another new blade which I use all the time, this type. That's cutting fine. This porcelain is probably about $300 a piece. That's beautiful. Right, let's mark the power point. Okay, the power points I've cut are 110 up. DIYs, when you're cutting power points to a splashback in the kitchen or anywhere, but more so in a kitchen, your power points must be in line. If you're 110 up there and 110 up there, you've got to be 110 up here. Now the Sparky's put it in at 100, so it's 10 mil out, which is not good. You go 110. You must always keep it the same. Draw a bit of a plan. 110 up. From the architrave, $250. $190 across. That's it. My width or my height is always 45 to 50. So I'm 250 across from the window. Check that. Yep. 110, I must always stay at the same height. We're good to go. Let's cut the sucker, put it in. $250. $110. Hello. What is it? 190. $45. $190 up there. Check it. $250 across. Good. $190. Right. I know that's bang on. Let's cut the sucker. We'll pop it in. It's off the window. That length. 745, just check that. The overall length 745, that's actually quite tight. So it should be a nice snug as a bug fit, hopefully. Good. But when you're looking at $300 a piece, that is why you measure twice or three times, because you can't go, oh shit, I made a mistake there, bummer. Because they've got the right amount of tiles, they've come up from somewhere else, so they're weeks away. If you make a mistake, you're in trouble. Let's see if it fits, people. Okay, there's a light in there. I'm a little bit tight. I'd rather be tight than too loose. That's yeah, it's all looking good, but that light is just down a little bit too far, so we'll have to check a piece out. Right, let's try it again. I've just checked out a small piece here. Looking good. I like it. Yep, good. Okay. Let's glue it up. Nice. I've got one more end piece, so I'm going to be a little bit short of glue, but I'll just mix up a little bit more. It's always hard to judge it, so you just don't try. Sometimes you wing it and you have enough. Slap it up. Going better now that the lead's not behind it. that's good. So we just cut a small piece for there, and we've got that end to go. All the pressure cutting is done with all the PowerPoints. We've got one more piece left, and that we've got one more piece, you know, like it was exactly, they actually bought one more piece. So there you go. When you're using such big tiles, you have big waste. But it is looking good, people. I'll grout it tomorrow morning. See you soon.